All right, today we're gonna put in this blue Atlas cedar right here. And I love using a post hole digger for this. Just makes the work faster, much easier. And then over here, what are these? These are pretty sweet. They kind of look like butterfly bushes, but they're called they're violet mist chastity trees. They promote pollinators coming to your house, so hopefully I'll get a lot of hummingbirds and butterflies coming. The hardest part of this digging is getting through the mesh and then getting through the foundation rock. Oh, hat down. Get my hat. Messing up my good hat, the best hat I got. Look at that. What is this? Piece of the siding from the house. It looks like flashing or something. Find all sorts of trash under here. Look at this plastic bottle. This contractor just buried crap under here. I think I'm just about through all the heavy rock for the foundation, and I don't really think I want to go too much deeper here. That's about it. Look at this wood stake. I tell you what, with this new construction these days, that's why it's so important to do an inspection before they put up all the drywall, because they just cover everything up, all their mistakes. We'll just put drywall up, we'll just throw dirt over it, cover up all of our garbage work that we did. Take a quick little measure. All right. That looks pretty good right there. I'm gonna break down some of the sides here. And I like using the post hole digger. I think it makes things way easier. It's just a lot faster because you can just hammer right through this dirt. But yeah, give it a shot with the post hole digger. Get yourself a nice little digging stick to tuck it in nicely. Oh, here comes the butterflies already. Okay, that was easy. I think that's just about perfect. Is that getting this stuff to disappear? But yeah, that's it. Looking pretty good. I'm just gonna water them in and